Every company right now is racing to integrate AI. They want the speed, the efficiency, and the competitive edge. But to access that intelligence, most businesses step straight into the SaaS trap. They sign up for a third-party subscription and log into an external dashboard. To make that external tool useful, they have to feed it. So they upload their most sensitive client records, entire CRM databases, and private communication logs directly to the cloud. You are no longer controlling your own operations. You are paying to be a guest in someone else's infrastructure, trusting them with your most valuable assets. Think of your business as a secure fortress. You rely on a strict perimeter to protect your internal data from the public web. When using a traditional AI service, data is siphoned straight through your walls into a massive, anonymous training pool. The black box spits back basic answers, sure, but your proprietary data dissolves into their system forever. You surrender sovereignty and invite massive risk. We face a structural problem. An AI needs deep access to your systems to actually do meaningful work. The question is how to grant that access without surrendering core credentials to an external provider. The solution is to reverse the flow. Instead of exporting your data outward, the labor-as-a-service model brings a sovereign synthetic agent inward. For this agent to operate locally within your walls, it needs authorization. It requires a digital passport. In technical terms, this passport is your environment file, or .env. It acts as a literal security clearance. This file securely holds the specific authentication strings for your existing tech stack. It verifies access internally, with zero connection to the outside web. Equipped with this passport, the agent gains absolute operational freedom, strictly confined within your secure perimeter. Let's watch this operate in a live workflow, handling a stream of incoming customer communications. The Arch 3R agent uses its security clearance to securely read an inbound email, extract the relevant context, and update a lead profile. At no point does the agent ping a cloud server to ask for permission. The intelligence executes locally, and your data stays exactly where it is. Suddenly, an operational hurdle arises. A format gap exists between the incoming lead and the strict rules of your CRM database. Because it has sovereign access, the agent doesn't wait for a human developer. It autonomously writes a custom script to perfectly bridge the gap. You are no longer constrained by the rigid features of a software subscription. Your intelligence builds its own tools locally to solve problems the second they appear. The end result is a highly secure workflow where intelligence remains entirely internal, operating safely inside your own infrastructure. This setup avoids the bloat of traditional software subscriptions and disconnected app clusters. Instead, you deploy a sovereign synthetic employee that processes complex, high-volume tasks with absolute zero third-party data retention. By isolating your intelligence, you create a closed-loop system of continuous, secure improvement. Look at the broader macroeconomic landscape of the AI era. Everyone is rushing to automate. Simply connecting your data to the largest public model makes your capabilities identical to your competitors. Real distinction requires a private architecture. Retaining absolute control over your environment configuration transforms AI from a security liability into a locally contained operator working exclusively for you. Your sovereign intelligence becomes a permanent compounding asset built entirely on your company's unique DNA.